173. This Sunday test is only on the thermal properties of the substance. Okay. In a vertical U tube, this is sum number 173, page number 21 from the sheet. 173, page number 21. In a vertical U tube containing liquid, two arms are maintained at different temperature T1, T2. The liquid column in the two arm have length L1, L2 respectively. Coefficient of volume expansion of the liquid is equals to. So when temperature is T1, T2, then they are saying length in the two arm of U tube are L2 and L1. At temperature T1 and T2, find the volume expansion, that means gamma of the liquid. So this means originally at same temperature T, they are having same length in the two arm. And then when temperature is changed to T2, the length becomes L1 and L2. Find what is gamma. See, we all know final length LT is original length L0, 1 plus gamma delta T. Do we know this? Hello?
Yes,
Do we
sir.
know? See, I wrote here length, but still I wrote gamma. So there should be some confusion in your mind because length to alpha लिखना पड़ेगा ना? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So actually it should be volume V01 plus gamma delta T. But area of cross section throughout is same. So I can cancel AA. Not followed now?
Yes.
From this, can you say original length is new length LT 1 plus gamma delta T? This time everybody has understood.
Yes.
So original length L, new length L1 when temperature is T1. T1. So this I am assuming to be at 0 degree and that is at T1, T2. Again new length L2 upon 1 plus gamma T2, original length is same. If I equate this to, can I say L1 upon 1 plus gamma T1 is L2 upon 1 plus gamma T2. So L1 into 1 plus gamma T2 is L2 into 1 plus gamma T1. That means L1 plus L1 gamma T2 equals to L2 plus L2 gamma T1. So this will become L2 gamma T1 minus L1 gamma T2. Here L1 minus L2. So L1 minus L2 gamma common, L2 T1 minus L1 T2. So I can say gamma is L1 minus L2 upon L2 T1 minus L1 T2. Check, do we have this option? L1 minus L2, L2 T1 minus L1 T2, option A. A option, very important sum. Anybody who has not followed? Ayman, you have followed?
Yes, sir.
Do it.
Followed, sir.
Yes, please do it. It was difficult, not that easy. After explanation, if you have understood, then you are doing good work. College exam date they have declared? Any date? Patal, any date declared by the college?
No, sir. Sir, in the group, though they have not, but I am not attending college, no, sir. I don't.
Achha.
Yes.
And which chapter they have started? That anybody knows in any of the college?
Sir, in physics, our ray optics is going.
Fine. So I will start after this ray optics only.
Yes, sir. Okay.
So could you please solve the 171, 172?
What you are saying, Nija?
Sir, after this sum, can you please solve the 172nd
Uh,
question?
172, 171, 170. I said I will be sending solution because they are a bit easier. So I'm not consuming the time here.
Okay, sir.
And after that, if you don't understand, I will explain.
Okay.
And homework you saw, I told assignment number 28, 29 of daily practice.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
To that,
Yes.
because that is based on thermal expansions part. That is thermal property part.
Done, sir.
Okay, everybody is done this one?
Sir, just a minute.
Yeah, right.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. Then I had told you some number. After this some number 184. Page number 23, sum number 184.
Yes.
The ratio of specific heat of gas at constant pressure to constant volume is given as gamma. Change in internal energy denoted by Du of the gas when volume changes from V to 2 will be how much? See, change in internal energy is amount of heat supplied at constant volume. Because whenever internal energy changes, then heat is supplied at constant volume, which is nothing but Cv dt. Now I know formula Cp is Cv plus work done, if you remember. I had explained this.
Yes, sir.
And work done, if you know, it is PdV, pressure into change in volume.
Yes, sir. Yes.
And by ideal gas equation, this is nothing but R dt.
Yes, sir.
And when temperature is changed by 1 degree, Cp minus Cv will become R. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in 12th standard, you have proof of this once again. This is called Mayer's relation. So by Mayer's relation, specific heat at constant pressure and at constant volume differences are. So I will say we know that Cp minus Cv equal to R. Have you followed, or once again you require explanation? See, heat supplied at constant pressure is used for increasing internal energy and to perform work. So this is nothing but for 1 mole Cp dt. This will be Cv dt and this will be R dt. R dt dt I can cancel. So can I say Cp minus Cv equal to R? Okay, followed?
Yes, sir.
What is Cp minus Cv? R.
R.
Cp minus Cv? R. Cp minus Cv? R. Cp means specific heat at constant pressure. Cv at constant volume. R is universal gas constant. So I know Cp minus Cv is nothing but R. But we are interested in only Cv to get internal energy. So wherever I see Cp, can I write this is gamma Cv from here? Minus Cv
Yes,
is
sir.
okay. So gamma minus 1 into Cv is R. So Cv is R upon gamma minus 1. Can I use this formula here in internal energy?
Yes.
So R upon gamma minus 1 into dt. This is nothing but pressure P into change in volume dV upon gamma minus 1 and
Yes, sir.
dV matlab ye change in volume na, which is 2V minus V upon gamma minus 1. So can I say PV upon gamma minus 1? This is also important, sir. Yes, followed. PV upon gamma minus 1.
Yes, sir. Followed.
And what will be the answer? Then option C. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Option C, right. This part, I have explained you the proof, but detailed writing part is in 12th standard. Cp minus Cv equal to R. Done.
Yes, sir.
Then 185. The gas equation PV upon T, 185. The gas equation PV upon T is constant. Gas equation we write for which process? Anywhere you have seen gas equation is valid for process? Gas equation is at all process, whether it is isothermal, adiabatic, or isobaric. So it is valid for all. Okay, valid for all.
Okay, sir.
Then 186, 187, 188. Again, one of the important sum. 188. Anybody got the answer? 188. Got the answer as A?
Sir, yes.
A,
Yes,
A,
sir.
A.
Yes, sir.
How you got A?
Sir, this sum was in exam also.
Exam paperment was there, but you are knowing the method?
Sir, yes, but I took a little bit of help.
अच्छा ठीक है चलो अभी now conceptually we'll see. A clock with a metal pendulum beating second means 2 seconds, keeps correct time at 0 degree. मतलब जब भी टाइम 2 सेकेंड है 0 डिग्री पे तो करेक्ट घड़ी बताता है अपना टाइम. If it loses 12.5 second in a day at 25 degree. लूजेस मतलब घड़ी स्लो हो जाता है, तो टेम्परेचर बढ़ेगा, लेंथ बढ़ेगा पेंडुलम का, घड़ी स्लो हो जाएगा. So I'm just deriving one formula for what is meaning of loss. If original time at 0 degree Celsius is T1 and at 25 degree Celsius is T2, मतलब ये करेक्ट टाइम है और ये इनकरेक्ट टाइम है. So can I say in T1 loss equals to T2 minus T1? मतलब T1 अगर 2 सेकेंड है, T2 2.01 आया, तो जो डिफरेंस है उतने का लॉस हो गया ना 2 सेकेंड में. ये लाइन समझा? ओरिजिनल अगर 2 सेकेंड है एट 0 डिग्री, उसका 25 डिग्री में टाइम हो गया 3 पॉइंट और 2.8, तो जो फर्क है उतने का लॉस हुआ ना 2 सेकेंड में.
Yes, sir.
सो T1 टाइम में लॉस T2 माइनस T1 हो गया. तो इन वन डे can you tell by unitary method what will be loss? Can I say it is T2 minus T1 into 1 day upon T1 by cross multiplying? Can I say like this?
Yes, sir.
So T2 minus T1 upon T1, 1 day means 24 into 3600 second. Hello?
Yes.
So it is T2 minus T1 into 100 into 864. 0, 0 I multiplied here 100, then 24 into 36 is 864. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So percentage change in time into 864 is loss or gain in 1 day. नया टाइम बढ़ेगा तो घड़ी स्लो चलेगा, टाइम कम होगा तो घड़ी फास्ट चलेगा. फास्ट चलेगा तो गेन करेगा, लूज किया मतलब स्लो चल रहा है वो. दिस मच क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
So just write this hint formula. Loss in 1 day is percentage change in time into 864. Loss in a day is nothing but percentage change in time into 164. So loss in a day or gain in a day by heart, percentage change in time into 864. This you have to remember. Percentage change in time into 864. Percentage change in time into 864.
Done.
Done. 3-4 times revise in your mind. But
Yes.
loss or gain is percentage change in time into 864. How much is in this sum given loss? How much? 12.5. Okay. So 12.5 is percentage change in T into 864. That means 12.5 upon 864 is percentage change in T. Now they want what is alpha, correct? What is formula for alpha? Increase in length upon original length into change in temperature. Okay. So can I say this we got, now see how to do. Since T means time period, 2 pi root L by G for pendulum. So is T proportional to L raised to half? Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
So percentage change in time is half times percentage change in length. Okay. Hello. So percent power becomes multiplier na in measurement we have done. So this is nothing but change in length upon original length into 100. So 2 times percentage change in T upon 100 is nothing but delta L upon L. Okay. Hello. Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So alpha will be delta L upon L, that is 2 times percentage change in T upon 100 into that change in temperature. अलग notation लिख लेता हूँ. So this is nothing but 12.5 upon 864 into 100 and change in temperature. कितना दिया है change in temperature? 25 है ना?
Yes.
12 into 12.5 into 2 is 25, cancel. 1 upon 86400. This is that. 1 upon 86400.
Sir, from which chapter time period of pendulum is given?
Right now we did in measurement by method of dimension. Otherwise it is in oscillation. Prove that T is 2 pi root L by G. Oscillation chapter, which will be in 12th. But in measurement we did by method of dimension. Time period is 2 pi root L by G. Measurement means first chapter. Same sum will come in even 12th in chapter called oscillation.
Okay, sir.
Completed?
Done, sir.
Okay. A slab consists of two parallel layer of two different material but same thickness of thermal conductivity K1, K2. This already I have explained you 2-3 times. It is K1 plus K2 upon 2. Option B.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then sum number 195. What is specific heat at isothermal process? This also I have explained.
Yes, sir.
What is the answer?
Option
Option
A.
A.
Infinite. 196. Anybody got the answer 196?
No, sir.
Okay, listen. But before that, one conversion factor, remember. Work unit is joule and heat unit is calorie or kilocalorie, correct?
Yes, sir.
Can joule be equal to calorie? No, we have to require some multiplication factor. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So work upon heat is J. This is 4.2 joule per calorie or 4200 joule per kilocalorie. This conversion factor, please remember. That means whenever work you divide by heat, you get conversion factor J. Its value is 4.2 joule per calorie or 4200 joule per kilocalorie. Now how I have written? I have remembered. Work upon J will become heat. Correct now? By cross multiplying.
Yes.
So I have
Yes, sir.
remembered like this. If units are different, different means one is joule, other is calorie. One is joule, other is kilocalorie. Then divide that quantity by J, which is in joule. So that both side you get heat unit. Divide that quantity by J, which is in joule. Say, all of you say, divide that quantity by J, which is in joule. Say, hello, am I audible?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Say na. Divide that quantity by J, which is in joule.
Divide that
Divide that quantity by J, which is joule.
Which is in joule.
Which is in joule.
Don't forget because heat chapter में conversion बार बार लगेगा. Now I'm reading. Okay, first write down this, then I'm doing the sum. Vaishnavi, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
How many sums you are practicing daily? Tomorrow you will answer or after 10 days you will answer?
Hello, sir.
How many days you practice sums daily? How many sums daily you are
Sir,
practicing?
20 sums.
20 sums.
Yes.
And you are saying you have to do medicine. Those who are doing 20 sums, they cannot compete with the other NEET students. Again, I am telling. It should be daily minimum 50 and maximum depends upon your strength. And suppose you don't have homework of 20, तो जो पहले का चैप्टर हो गया है ना, मेजरमेंट, स्केलर्स वेक्टर, मोशन इन 1D, मोशन इन 2D, लॉ ऑफ मोशन, उसको फिर से रिवाइज करना चालू करो. Don't wait that every time I will tell कि measurement start करो. You have to keep on doing whenever time is there. That is only possible if you are doing daily 50 sums. Then you can cross 160 and above out of 180. Otherwise, your mark will be at 100. It can't increase. It is not question of talent. It is question of talent plus retaining it. That is possible if I practice same sum again and again. Written 196 written. I don't understand
Yes.
how a person can invest the time at home because you don't have college, so at least traveling time 2 hours तो बच गया ना अपना, या इसको इन्वेस्ट करो पढ़ाई में. क्लास भी आप आ नहीं रहे, जा नहीं रहे, इसका भी 1 घंटा बच गया, अप्रोक्सीमेटली 2 hours. तो 4 hours तो आपको ऐसे ही एक्स्ट्रा मिला. If you are not investing that, then I think God will help you. Nobody else can help. I will teach with my full energy. You will understand with your full energy. But to retain, you require hard work. Just Katan, read 196.
Yes, sir. So just so 196. No?
We were doing 196 only.
A waterfall in 168 meter height is 168 meters high.
Waterfall is at
Is 168 meter
168
high.
meter height.
Assuming that half of the kinetic energy of the falling water
Half of
is
kinetic energy of falling water is converted into heat.
converted into heat,
Then find
then
what is rise in temperature.
yes,
Half of kinetic energy gets converted, not all. So at the top, body had potential energy.
Yes.
yes,
At bottom, it will become kinetic energy.
Yes.
ये पूरा potential kinetic में बदलता है ना?
हाँ sir.
So can I say total kinetic is potential only becomes heat? I hope you followed this line.
Yes,
Potential energy का unit किस में होता है? जूल में, है ना?
Yes, sir.
So half mgh, can we say mass into specific heat into rise in temperature? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Can you cancel mass from both sides? Now G is given 10, height is 168. What is specific heat of water in joule? 4200. ये याद रखना है आपको. What is specific heat of water in joule? 4200. And in calorie, it is just 4.2. Hello? Sorry, 1. Hello.
yes sir.
What is specific heat of water? Either you can say 1 calorie, 1 kilocalories per kg Kelvin or 4200 joule per kg Kelvin. Okay.
Yes sir.
So I wrote 4200 because my potential energy is in joule into delta T. 1 0 so I can cancel from both sides. 2 into 8 into 4. So delta theta is 84 upon 420. 42 into 10, 42 into 2. So can we say 0.2 degrees Celsius?
Yes sir.
Now solve. Any doubt, please ask. See, explaining your doubt, clearing your doubt, doing extra is my responsibility. Practicing is your responsibility. Katan, how many sums you practice daily?
So this week I couldn't because I wasn't there.
You are having what?
I wasn't well. I was cold.
Acha. Okay. But otherwise, regularly, on an average?
So I practiced 30 to 35 minutes.
No. See, you can't get the result unless until you come to 50.
Yes.
See, I'm not telling because I want to unnecessarily harass you.
Yes.
Because I have seen the student over years na who gets the mark. 50 से कम वाले को mark ना थोड़ा कम हो जाता है. But 50 वाले को 50 why I'm saying, so you get time to practice again same sums. Huh?
Yes.
Please practice. Try to compete up to 50. I'm
Yes,
telling
sir.
to all the students. It is not only Vaishnavi. Every student has to practice. Those who are trying for medicine 50, engineering student 30 चलेगा. लेकिन
Yes.
मेडिकल वाला प्लीज 50 तक आ जाओ आप कैसे भी करके. हाँ
Yes sir. I will.
क्या 1 mark of yours is worth lakh of rupees? Private college का admission, you know, fees is nearly more than 1 crore now, and government college hardly 50,000 per year. And I don't know whether you know earning of doctor or not. Kathan, what one MD doctor might be earning daily?
So daily, 50,
Minimum.
minimum, I guess 1 lakh.
Yes, perfect. Minimum per day he might be earning 50 to 1 lakh.
Yes.
Per day, I'm talking. But when they visit hospital, per visit they charge 1200. So 10
Yes.
patient there, it will become 12,000. Morning 12,000, evening, and his own consultancy.
Yes.
So even if you consider least to least 25,000 per month, it becomes 3 lakhs. And if person is doing surgery, then per day he earns nearly 10 lakhs.
Yes.
So that's why medical is expensive. Teaching also, and for patient also it is expensive. While studying also you have to invest, and when you earn a lot. If you go to US, your package will be minimum 3 crore per year working in hospital. So just one more year left out. Put yourself in the oven. Chalo, can I clear 196?
Yes, sir.
196. So then 198. 198. For a gas, difference in two principal specific heat is 4150. So Cp minus Cv is 4150, they are saying. And the specific heat of gas at constant volume we want. If the ratio is given 1.4, so easy sum. Cp I can write 1.4 Cv minus Cv is 4150. So 0.4 Cv equals to 4150. Therefore Cv equals to 4150 upon 0.4. That means 10 into 4150 upon 4. 4 into 1 is 4. 0. 4 3 is 12. Remainder 3. 4 7 is 28.5. So this is 10375. Okay.
Yes, sir.
10375. Option is B. Yes, completed. दोनों फुट भेज दिया मैंने 200 अरे भेज दिया हाँ एक रखा है मैंने 120 से देने आ गया नहीं आ गया हेलो हेलो
Yes, sir.
yes completed now
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Done.
again important because of unit factor है ना unit बराबर देखना 199 heat required to melt 1 gram of ice heat required for 1 gram is 80 calorie a man melts 60 gram of ice by chewing in 1 minute what is his power power is I think work upon time we all know
Yes.
and work can be taken as heat energy also है ना can I take na heat energy upon time capacity to do work is called energy correct ना
Yes, sir.
लेकिन खाली ये जूल में चाहिए ये किस में दिया है कैलोरी में दिया है ना
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 gram 80 calorie 60 gram 60 into 80 calorie correct
Yes.
so heat energy that is Q is 60 into 80 calorie what I told divide that quantity by J which is in joule na
Yes.
so here to I have to multiply by J because it is in calorie so can I say 4.2 joule not followed
Followed, sir.
see if it is in joule then I will divide by J but if it is in calorie I will multiply by J J मतलब ये 4.2 तो अपना आंसर जूल में हो गया कुछ डाउट conversion followed conversion main is that so 60 into 80 multiply by 4.2 calorie will become joule when joule has to be converted into calorie we divide by 4.2 how much time is given time 1 minute
Yes, sir.
1 minute means 60 seconds
Yes, sir.
60 cancel 8 into 2 16 8 4s are 32 and 1 336.0 336 watts okay 336 watts option है 336 watts
B.
B option 336 anybody had got this answer previously
Yes, sir.
good
Yes, sir.
very good conversion factor अगर क्लिक हो गया ना तो फिर कोई भी सम रॉन्ग नहीं जाएगा आर्यन बागवे हेलो आर्यन yes Aryan Bagwe Aryan you can hear Aryan Bagwe
Hello, sir.
you are going for Kit Kat break dear in between
No, sir. Actually, there is a network fluctuation in my area. I don't know
acha
what's wrong.
I thought you are going for Kit Kat break in between
No, sir.
and chewing it and getting power coming back
No, sir.
this was same sum a person is chewing something and getting power chalo completed
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
come to 200 wala sum If you have completed 199, can I clear with your guidance? Yes, Mohit, Suraj, can I clear this?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
thank you. 200. Ayman, hello Ayman.
Yes, sir.
If ice has to be melted, then it should be at what temperature? Ice melts at what temperature?
100 degrees.
No, 0 degrees Celsius. Huh? Ice will melt at what? 0, no?
That
Melting,
is the ice
that is ice what?
point of.
That is called melting point
Yes, sir.
or freezing point or ice point. तो -20 पे मेल्ट होगा क्या ये?
नहीं सर, फ्रीज हो.
मतलब वो सॉलिड में ही रहेगा. So
हाँ,
when you
sir.
supply heat, पहले वो अपना टेम्परेचर को 0 तक लेगा ना. So here state is constant, temperature is changing. State is constant, that is solid, but temperature is changing. Okay.
Yes.
अब इसके बाद क्या होगा? Can you tell me? Ice will become water, no? And temperature will remain constant. Not followed? Then water will become water at 100 degree. इतना heat खींचेगा. Then it will become steam at same temperature. So whenever ice is converted into steam, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. This many process can be there. Any doubt? Hello, any doubt is there in your mind again?
No, sir.
Now they are saying which graph will resemble the temperature versus क्या दिया है? Temperature versus heat supplied. So heat is supplied along y-axis they have taken and temperature along x-axis. When no heat is supplied, there will be no change in temperature. तो -20 से 0 तक हीट सप्लाई किया, कुछ भी दिखेगा नहीं टेम्परेचर. -20 to 0 मतलब इधर से इधर तक कुछ भी नहीं दिखेगा ना. आर यू गेटिंग मी अगेन?
Yes, sir.
Then what will happen from at 0 degree? It will get converted into ice na here.
Yes, sir.
So 0 तक no temperature, ये constant रहने वाला है थोड़ा और दूर तक. Then it will increase up to 100. Then again constant. Then again when steam becomes getting converted, here it is water is getting converted into steam and here ice is getting converted into water. So just check this graph is available anywhere.
Yes.
कौन सा वाला है? C लग रहा है ना?
Yes, sir.
C is more appropriate. So answer is C. I can't take B because उन्होंने बोला heat 0 तभी temperature positive है. Wrong. दूसरा वाला graph is crooked, वो नहीं चलेगा. First वाला 0 to it rises up to something and then becomes constant. 0 to rises something then becomes constant is again wrong. Okay. No.
Yes.
So correct or appropriate will be C. Understand and mark answer C properly. Vaishnavi. Hello, Vaishnavi.
Yes, sir.
Please keep on practicing, keep on asking doubt. You are not asking any doubt. That means you are knowing everything or you are understanding faster.
Sir, I have doubts.
So for that, I think I should come at your place, na? Then
No,
we will
sir. I have in 203.
203. We have not yet reached till 203. Wait.
So the option is A, no?
Which one?
200.
200 option is C. Because first it will be like this, not like this. Two constants should come na. One is this constant here, and one is this at 0 degree constant.
Both it's minus 20. Yes, sir.
Can I clear this now? The remaining sums, today itself I will send the solution, and next class in 10 minutes I will discuss if you have not followed anything. And on
Can you send the test solution?
I can. Paper I have not yet sent, na? So wait, I will give you solution also.
Okay.
And morning mein, because it starts 5 minutes late, I could complete only this much today in the morning. So to compensate that timing, I told that 170, 171, 172 and remaining sums, I will send the solution, which you will go through it. In case you don't understand, then on Friday, you will ask me the first doubt part. And then I will start with new chapter, which is ray optics. This chapter is bit lengthy. It will take at least 9 sessions. That means 3 weeks. 3 weeks means I will try to complete by February end with MCQ. Then left out chapter is electrostatic, magnetism, electromagnetic wave and semiconductor. These chapters I will not start. Then entire Feb I will do revision for you, entire March. Then April I will start first chapter electrostatic of 12th standard, teaching you first 11th and then going to 12th, so that it will be synchronized. Hello? Homework
Yes,
part,
sir.
homework part you followed. What is homework?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Daily
Yeah.
practice paper, push page 28th and 29th. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Test
sir.
will be only on thermal properties.
Okay, sir.
So we'll stop here. Next class we'll meet on Friday.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Take care. Bye. Thank you, Hitarth. Bye.